Josh Rickner of the National Legal Center advised make more, save more, invest more, give more, spend less, and stress less. Of course, it's easier said than done, but making small, regular adjustments in these areas will have a significant influence over time. To develop the behaviors that can lead to a healthy, joyful, and prosperous 2022, only consistent modest improvements are required. Here are 8 habits that can make a big difference. 1. Get in the habit of educating yourself. Jacqueline Gilchrist, the founder of Mom Money Map, is all about self-improvement through self-education. She wants people, especially young people, to make it a point to read about money whenever they can in 2022. Every time I read a personal finance book, I get a new perspective on how I can better grow my wealth, Gilchrist said. For example, after reading the book Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez, I realized how you don't have to trade your time for money. There are many passive income streams like dividends and rental income that you can nurture that will help you reach financial independence earlier. 2. Know what you spend. The wealthy get that way precisely because they pay close attention to money flowing in and out. Wealthy people don't spend frivolously or unconsciously. They spend intentionally and according to their values. According to the millionaire next door, wealthy people often comparison shop, repair rather than purchase new, and buy things out of season to get the best price. And they track their spending meticulously. 3. Take calculated, not foolish risks. Wealthy people take risks to learn new things, develop new skills, and expand their comfort zones. What wealthy people don't do is gamble. According to Money Crashers, only 6% of wealthy people ever play the lottery, compared with 77% of poor people. Poor people see the lottery as a way to get lucky. Rich people know that positive actions, habits, and thinking create opportunities for good things to happen. 4. Focus on opportunities, not problems. Problems are seen as opportunities to be solved, not insurmountable roadblocks or something to simply complain about. Problems may even present themselves as opportunities to start or expand a business. When lockdowns happened, many smart people found a way to pivot their work or business to meet the new reality. A focus on opportunities also lends itself to one of the keys of wealth building, diversified income. It is said that the average millionaire has 7 streams of income. That's because they are always on the lookout for opportunities. 5. Have a morning success routine. Wealthy people tend to get up earlier than others, an average of about 6 a.m. Corley found that 44% of wealthy people wake up 3 hours before work starts, compared to just 3% of poor people. Many successful people also get in their workout in the morning. What successful people don't do when they wake up is check email first thing. As Mel Robbins says, you should set the tone for the day before you start responding to the requests and demands of others. I share my routine as well as morning habits of other successful people in morning routines for productivity and prosperity. 6. Be intentional with your time. Successful people are mindful of how they use their time all week long. They may use a time blocking system such as Dan Sullivan's entrepreneurial time system. They will also outsource busy work so they can use their time for revenue generating activities. Many successful people also avoid spending much if any time on social media, and they watch little if any television. 7. Rich people are lifelong learners. Tom Bilyeu went from being a lazy underperformer to building Quest Nutrition, a billion-dollar company, and the Influential Impact Theory, a show that interviews top authors, business people and thought leaders. When Tom realized that he could continuously expand his skills, talents, and knowledge, it gave him the confidence to succeed. Successful people tend to learn through their reading habits. The average millionaire reads for at least 30 minutes a day, reports Corley. The most common books and reading materials relate to current events, their career, personal development, or biographies of successful people. 8. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Steve Siebold, the author of How Rich People Think, says that rich people surround themselves with like-minded people. Whether mentors or colleagues, they are people who are committed to the same mission and goals. Surround yourself with people who are successful, driven, and hardworking, and they will inspire you to be the same. Mark Twain once said, "Keep away from people who try to belittle your ambitions." Small people always do that, but the really great make you feel that you, too, can become great.